So first, let's make the main wing. Glue 2 skewers together and then repeat this process. So once you got both of your sticks wrapped in cardboard and string, you're going to cut shorter pieces of skewer and attach them on the sides. Just like this. Then wrap some string around each joint. This is to strengthen the bond. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell not to miss my new videos. Okay, let's get back to the video. Now let's strengthen the frame of our wing by adding more skewers to it. This is a very important step. The side with the most skewers is the one that will be facing forward, the one that will take the most impact. Let's put some paper onto our frame. Okay guys, so once you're done making your main wing, as you can see it has a little gap here, make sure you leave it because you're going to be tying this onto the main body. You got to do it somehow. So another thing I wanted to tell you, as you can see mine is imbalanced, and if you have an imbalance, so you see it's falling to that side, I need to put something on this side so that it weighs it down a little more so it's going to be balanced. Let's do that. There we go, now it's balanced. Now let's make the tail wing. let's make the body of the airplane. Then we're going to attach the main wing to the body. And then attach the tail wing. Then we're going to fill in the gap on the main wing. Attach the nose or the tip on. Since the zip tie method didn't work and it broke, I decided to use some steel wiring instead. And it worked much better.
Hey guys, so now I'm out here in the fields and I'm going to test this glider out. So there's a little hill here. Let's test it out.
So guys, that's about it for this video showing you how to make this glider made from bamboo skewers and some paper. If you enjoyed it, like always, hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching guys, see you next week, peace!